guys, we're here at Cabinets Quick again, just trying this video series of all the different materials out there one at a time, so we can just tell people how things work and what's out there. This is especially to the 5 or 6 guys that watched my video. I really appreciate you guys. So if there's anything you guys want to specifically see, let me know so I can kind of focus on that. Right now I'm just kind of shotgunning stuff one at a time. But today is an interesting video because we're talking about Fenix. And why is Fenix special? Okay, so back in the day, gloss and white gloss was all of the rage. And then matte materials started coming in. And Fenix is a European company, and it's the first European company to come up with a true matte finish. And there's several companies offering a matte finish now. And gloss turned into matte finish now. So all the rage is matte finish materials, especially for doors. So what makes Fenix special? So it was the first black not to leave fingerprints, and designers really liked that because they could finally use a black that wouldn't leave fingerprints on a door or finished material. So it's anti-fingerprint, anti-microbial. It doesn't reflect light because it's matte, and the coating they put on it is very unique in the fact that it's made of a very micro surface. It's a micro surface that's not flat. And if you were to gouge it or ding it like this with a little bit of heat or even your finger, the surface will reheat itself to a certain extent. The gouge pushes the surface away, and then heating it back puts the surface back. And we have tested this with heavy gouges and light gouges. You'll just have to believe me, or we can send you a sample and you can play around with it yourself. And speaking of, if you want some samples, Fenix will give us a ring that we can send out to you guys, or they'll send out directly from the rings that we have a few of. And then they were nice enough to give us this display box. And there's also a real thick chunk of Fenix. Now, this stuff is not inexpensive. And I don't think I've ever had anybody buy this from me, but you can make countertops and stuff with this material. I don't even know what it is. It's not solid surface or anything. It's the chunk of the resin. And then this box is basically a chip ring, but it's just a ring. And there's some interesting things in it, like this finish is kind of cool. So there's a lot of cool finishes, but you know, there's finishes for everything. Speaking of finishes that we never really talked about is whites. So see how there's 3 whites? White is not white. And generally speaking, people will pick some kind of off-white or bone white for a door thing. A stark white is never really used. It's too stark. So that's just a little note on whites. And I think that is it for this material. If you're finding this information helpful and useful, please like. If you think somebody can benefit from this information, please send it their way. And I'll see you in the next video.